this ICP unit here. It's filling up cold air. I don't know what the compressor is. Working good. It's got a Gentech motor. I think it's got a Copeland compressor. That's cool. That's more. It's from March of 2016. Camera doesn't focus, I don't know why. I don't know where the compressor is, but it is 8 years old. It's a Keeprite. Cool. This is a Keeprite unit. It's probably like a 4-ton or something. I'll number. Yep, it's 4-ton. March of 2016, 4-ton Keeprite unit. It's got rattle. It's rattling. Well, there's 2 more units which I'm gonna go fill. Yeah, that Keeprite's on. Yeah. Onto that one. I don't know why I'm here. There's a Rheem right here. Not running. Cool spot heat pump. See, it's taller than me. Gentech motor has not been on. Hasn't been running, and Copeland compressor. It's pretty cool. It's a heat pump. Cool. Intertext serial number. 2020. That thing right there. Yeah, it's Keeprite. There's a Weatherking up there, I believe it to be. Don't want to fall down. No data. Cool. Don't know where the top is. It's not on. We'll see if it has. Nope. Probably, it might have been. Yeah, 2020 Rheem, 2016 Keeprite, and I have no idea what the hell that thing is. I literally have, like, no damn clue. Don't know why. I don't know why I'm literally in. It's probably a 5-ton or a 4-ton. Oh, you got an ECO. 3 sweat blades. Big unit. probably, yeah, it's probably a Rheem. No logo. That's okay. Suction line. This thing I have never seen on. Never seen this unit on. It has a Copeland scroll. Disconnect. Whoa! There's a bit of a dent in there. I'm not going up there, but I could get a good look at it. Just read. I don't think it's been running. Well, it has pipes instead of suction lines. I already know that. There's the pipe. It's a pool and spa heat pump from 2020. June of 2020. Heat pump unit. Can you get a look at that Keeprite one more time? That's a 2020 Rheem. Yeah. That's a 2016 Keeprite over there. A 2020 pool spa Rheem unit. Yeah. 2020 pool spa Rheem unit, and no idea what the hell that other one is. Probably like a York Stellar or something. Still on. Keep it still on. I don't know why it's not sweating. Now it's sweating up more. Cold. That's warm. There's the filter dryer. Might be a Copeland. Did take ECM motor. It's got a rattle too. Thermostat wire and shaking. Oh my god, that's shaking like crazy. Keeprite. It's one of the coolest Keeprites ever. Really cool. The unit up there. I'm probably going to have to look back at the footage. Yeah, this is March 2016. Job's coming off. Keeprite. Can't really see shit on it though. Can't really see the shit on it. Keeprite. 12 weeks of 2016. So it's almost from April 2016. So this unit is approximately 8 years old now. Conduit, I can literally touch it, as you can see. I'm literally touching it. Don't know why the hell I am touching it. Can't really see it. I don't know what it says. one of the coolest units in Ontario here. This is a pretty cool Keeprite. Blades are spinning pretty slow. I'm not gonna lie, the unit shakes a lot. And this unit sounds like shit. It has a rattle. Unit is shaking like crap. Oh my god. It's up top right there. I don't know what it says there. It probably says this is probably like one of the coolest units in Ontario. There's a Gentech ECN, I don't know why it says comfort maker on this, and it's a Keeprite. You can literally move the logo side to side. Watch this. It's literally like this now. Literally move that logo. Probably gonna put it back in the middle. Maybe to this right. Yeah. It looks really cool, and I don't know why it says comfort maker on the top. That's just freaking insane. Yeah, this is like one of the best units in Ontario. There's the coil. It's a 2016. Yeah. It might be a Copeland scroll. It doesn't sound like it. But I'm assuming it's a Copeland scroll. Anyways, well, this video is like almost 14 minutes long. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.